For the Pharisees and all the Jews do not eat unless they wash their hands in a special way, holding to tr- tradition of the elders. When they come from the marketplace, they do not eat unless they wash, and there are many other things which they have received and who like the washing of cups, pitchers, copper, vessel, and cup couches. Then the Pharisees and scribes asked him, "Why do your disciples not walk according to the tradition of the elders, but eat bread with unwashed hands?"